Welcome to the life and times of Uncle Joe. If you live in my part of the world, which is North Texas in Grayson County, you will become very familiar with the hedge apple, the most useless fruit that you could find. Be sure and do not park under one of the trees with your vehicle because they can make and create serious damage if one of the big hard things fall on you. They are all around the fence lines where they grow rapidly. Well, not rapidly, but a lot of them. I don't see a fence line in this area without the hedge apple, otherwise known as the Osage orange or the Bois apple, but they're everywhere and you will get used to them, I guess. But the good thing is that they will lay there and they begin to rot rather quickly, and as you can see in the video, they begin to turn black and then they disappear and become a good fertilizer or mulch for the grass, I suppose. But that's my story about the hedge apple, and I'm sticking to it. I used to call him the ugly rooster, but that no longer applies, so I'm going to just call him Rooster Cogburn. Went to check on the cows, especially the baby calf Jolene, and this is what I found. We call him 35-1. His mother's name number 35, and he's her first calf, so hence his name. But anyway, he was unhappy, and you can hear Hawk in the background getting very excited because he knew something was wrong. Took a minute to get him out, but I got him out and he's fine. I just thought it was interesting that we have a natural head gate if needed.